Now, our first compound that we're going to look at here has a couple familiar elements in it, and we want to see how to name it. Step one, we have to figure out, is this a transition metal? Because remember what we talked about before, transition metals, their charges vary. So, when I look at my periodic table, zinc is a transition metal. So what should I do? Well, according to our rules, step one says, name the transition metal, but I have to include something to identify which charge I'm dealing with. Well, I'm going to put parentheses here so I can write the Roman numeral. Well, what about the second element? Well, it's oxygen. So that means we must be dealing with, that's right, just like we did in the previous video, oxide. Now that we have this at the beginning, what should we do? Well, I have to figure out what number goes here. So let's take a look. Since I already know that oxygen has a charge of -2, and I'm supposed to have a net charge of 0, what would cancel out -2? Well, I think it would have to be +2. I hope you said that. So now all I have to do is just write it down. So my name for this compound would be zinc 2 oxide. You got it? Well, let's go ahead and try some more practice. Let's see if you actually have it, and then we'll test it to see.